welcome back to today's video. Thank you so much for coming in today. Thank you for watching and for clicking on this video today. I do appreciate it. Happy Sunday to you guys, and of course I always wish you guys a pleasant week ahead. Thank you so much for coming in today. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you guys how I came up with this very simple makeup look using 11 of my everyday go-to makeup products. Really easy, really simple. And I do hope you guys enjoy. The video is coming up and you guys are going to hear my thoughts on this makeup look at the end of the video. So thank you for watching and please enjoy. Toodles! Okay, my lovelies, so this is the finished look of the makeup today using 11 of my everyday go-to makeup products. All of these are drugstore except for the HydraBalm concealer from Dalton Cosmetics, and the lip liner is from Sephora. Everything else is from the drugstore, and of course I did pick up the Makeup Forever foundation powder from Sephora as well. Very simple, very easy key makeup products just to create this very simple makeup look. And every single day when I go to work, this is what my face looks like. Every single day. Although there are some days where I will go to the office with no makeup, just the lipstick alone. But my everyday makeup look has to be really easy and really simple. That would be done in just a few minutes. And I'm going to leave all of the products that I've used on my face in the description box for you guys. I am going to challenge you, if you're watching this video today, pick 11 of your key makeup products and do a makeup look and let me see how your makeup is going to turn out. I can't wait to watch your videos. And of course, I do hope you guys enjoy this video today, and please come back next Sunday for another video. Again, all of the products will be down in the description box. I would love to hear your comments on this video today. And my name is Odette. We are going to leave it here for now, and I shall see you next time. Toodles!